A very good morning to all of you. So, this is Poonam Mahendru. In the previous video, जो हमने बात की थी जर्नी टू द एंड ऑफ अर्थ चैप्टर में, इट वाज अबाउट कि किस तरीके से अंटार्कटिका एग्जिस्ट हुआ और किस तरीके से जो है द ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आर डैमेजिंग, आर एक्सप्लॉइटिंग द नेचर, और वो जो कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस हैं वो अंटार्कटिका पर भी हुए. Then today what we are going to study is the paradox of climate change. Now there are many unanswered questions about climate change and the narrator is alarmed by them. अब वो questions क्या क्या थे कि will the West Antarctic ice sheet melt entirely? Will the Gulf Stream ocean current be disrupted? Will the world come to an end? अब ये जो तीनों questions हैं ये जो है debatable questions हैं. In this debate, Antarctica has a major role to play. This is because as compared to other places, it remains relatively एक जो है बहुत शांत है, no human life is there, and it contains 500,000 years old carbon records traps in the layers of ice. ये जो सबसे ज़्यादा important चीज़ है कि अंटार्कटिका में वो कार्बन रिकॉर्ड्स पाए गए in the layers of ice जो कि 500,000 years old हैं, and the earth past, present and future lies hidden in America. तभी जो रिसर्चर्स हैं वो ये सोचते थे कि हम अंटार्कटिका पर ही जाकर रिसर्च करें. Now narrator, what she has done is she started a program, Student on Ice. Now this program aims at studying the ecological processes in Antarctica, and the narrator works on this project. And on the boat, it was their academic, Sokolsky, and it takes school students on the trip of Antarctica. The visit aims at generating a new awareness and respect for our planet in young, impressionable minds. Now the program has been in operation for 6 years. 6 years जो है ये program चला, ये project चला. And it was headed by a Canadian, Geoff Green. Earlier, he used to take celebrities, retired rich people and curiosity seekers to Antarctica for money. कि भाई sponsorships भी मिल जाएं. तब क्या करते थे जो Canadian Geoff Green थे, he used to take the celebrities and retired rich people. But gradually he got sick of those people who gave nothing to the earth in return. मतलब वो क्या करते थे, सिर्फ पैसा स्पेंड करते थे बट वो रिसर्च वर्क में कुछ हेल्प नहीं करते थे. ग्रेजुअली ही आफ्टर गेटिंग सिक ऑफ दोज पीपल हेयर इज कि इरिटेट हो गए थे कि कुछ आउटकम नहीं आ रहा है. सो ही डिसाइडेड टू टेक स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स देयर. It was his firm belief that young minds could learn and act as better about potential hazards regarding the environment which the Mother Earth is facing. Now, the program was a success because children could see with their own eyes collapsing the ice shelves and retrenching glaciers. They realized that the threat of global warming, it was real. Now, what were the lessons to be learned? The greatest lesson to be learned is a little changes in the environment can have big repercussions, big consequences. The microscopic, it is phytoplankton, are nourishing for the marine animals and birds in the region. Any more depletion in the ozone layer will affect the activities of these grasses. This will in turn affect the lives of others in the region and the global carbon cycle. अब ये क्या कह रहे थे कि हर चीज़, अगर हम छोटी चीज़ों को, इट वॉज देयर इफ़ वी आर गोइंग टू टेक केयर ऑफ द स्मॉल थिंग्स, द बिग थिंग्स कैन बी सेव्ड. ये फोकस किसका था? नरेटर का. Then she told the memorable walk on the ocean. The narrator says that the experience of strolling on the ocean at Antarctica was never to be forgotten. Incident for all. Now, what she is saying is at 65.55 degrees south of equator, the narrator and the students were told to get down. They put on Gore-Tex ice shoes and sunglasses, and on over 180 meters of salt water, there was 1 meter thick layer of ice, and it was breathtaking experience to see crab-eater seal sitting in the periphery. It was truly a memorable experience of all कि आप चल रहे हो एक 1 मीटर थिक जो है आइस लेयर के ऊपर चल रहे हो, उसके नीचे आपको वाटर दिख रहा है, एंड इट वॉज एक वो डर भी है कि व्हाट इफ दिस पर्टिकुलर आइस लेयर इज गोइंग टू ब्रेक. Now, what is the difference that the Antarctica trip has made? It was the author was overwhelmed with the beauty of the balance in play of our planet. She has many questions in her mind. For example, what would happen if Antarctica become a war place? Will human beings survive on Earth? Whatever be the answers to these questions, she is full of optimism about the teenagers who are full of idealism to save the Earth after having made the trip to Antarctica. So this experience of the narrator was a memorable experience. So this is all for today, and like it is clear that why Antarctica is the right place to study past, present and future, and the impact of global warming, that how the human beings are disturbing nature. Thank you so much.